Hello friend, so today we'll be seeing how we can do an animated filling buttons. Like when I hover on this button, the button gets filled out and the color, the text also is changing to white, and if I remove the cursor, it's get unfilled. So this kind of button animation, how we can do using css3, let's see this. So for that, let me take an empty HTML file. Let me name it button1. Fine. And then let me take the initial markup, and I need to div. One is a container div to position the button, and then other one could be, let's take it a button class. Okay, and let's mark it as click, and let me start the preview so that we can see. Okay, now let me let's start styling, and then it would be start with container. So the container margin I want to put auto, and then margin top. So from left and right I wanted to make it centralized, and then could be say 100 px, something like that. Okay, nice. Now then some width, some height, maybe width would be 300 px, and yeah, and height could be 100 px. Okay. So let us see the button class now. Let's start the button class now, and in that we will start with maybe, yeah, let's put some width. Width is equal to 100 px. How about this? Yeah, looks good. And let's do the height 30 px. Yeah, that's perfect. And then text, let me make the, before I go to text, I will have to change the background color to white. So initially it will be white, and then the border could be 2 px solid, and then some, let's do some brown color. Yeah, that looks perfect. And then we would be doing the border radius a bit, maybe 5 px. How this looks? Yeah, that's not bad. And then we'd be doing the text transform uppercase. Okay, now yeah, this looks pretty good. The color equal to also brown. Let's make it brown. Perfect. Now this looks okay. Fine. Now probably I will change the font weight to 500. How that looks? Maybe 600. Yeah, that looks pretty okay. Fine. Now once this is done, I want to start developing the I'll do with a pseudo element. So we'll take a before pseudo element, and in that what we would be doing, we'll start with the content. It's not content, and that would be empty, and then the width will be 100% of the button, and height would also be 100%, and then we'll put the background color same brown. Okay, fine. Now we can't see this, but still now position, I will mark this as absolute. Now you can see this because the closest parent should have a relative. Now you can see it here. So I do top 0 and left also 0. Now it is on top of it. And now what I would be doing, I would use transform to translate the x to minus 100%. Completely it will go outside of it. Sorry, 100%. Yeah, completely it is on this side. Okay, so I think somehow it is not working. Margin auto, margin, what I'll do, margin probably left. Yeah, that's pretty okay. So what I do, 100 px. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, now okay, now you can see this. Okay, fine. Now this is here. What I do on hover, I wanted this to move on to here. So if I do dot btn hover, when I'll hover, sorry for this, hover that, I want hover the element it should apply to before. What would happen? The transform property would be and translate x would be to 0, from minus to 0. So I'll hover and you see it's coming. Now we need some transition here. Transition you can apply on all, or you can on transform also, maybe 500. Yes. Now you see it is perfectly happening. Okay, nice. Now there is some issue, so I have to mark this overflow as hidden so that it goes up. Now you see it is coming. Now the problem is that the color, the dark color, the text color is getting eclipsed. So on hover, what I want, button only on hover, the text color should be changed to white. Okay, sorry, white. Okay, now if I do that, acha, so if this is not happening, could be because of z index. Let's make it a back. Okay, in that the button also background color, make it transparent. Okay, so this is happening, you see. Now the problem is this is click. Okay, now we need some transition here on the button also. Transition, this is I'm doing for all, same, let's put same. Yes, you see how beautiful it is happening. Thank you for watching this.